What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how you can transform your Minecraft from this into this. So let's get right into it. First things first, you're going to go ahead and go to the first link in my description. It's important you have Optifine in Minecraft and just use the latest version. I use this one. Go ahead and download it. Once you have it, it should be on your desktop. Let me go ahead and just drag it. You're just gonna go ahead and double click on it and you should pop up with this screen. You just hit install. Since I already have it, I don't want to like make any multiples. Well, the second and third links are gonna lead you to the resource pack and the shaders. We have here the modern arc. Here we got your downloading link and the CUDA. Same thing, you just download it, drag it to your desktop. You're gonna go ahead and head back to your Minecraft. Now make sure your device is available for you to open up your resource packs, and you're gonna go ahead and just drag it from your desktop. Same thing for the shaders, same procedure, and drag it to your shaders folder. If you're worried about FPS, here I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So my FPS is very high. I have no resource pack on and no shaders pack. However, I am in Optifine, so that might be the reason why I'm at low 300 and high 200 FPS. This is comparing when I add the resource pack. I am still at low 300 and a high 200 FPS. Now when I add the shaders, it shifts to just below 100 FPS. But not to worry, you can always modify your settings in order to have high FPS, or if you want to have fast performance. And just head back to your Minecraft. You should be able to have this amazing glossy sort of quartz polished along with the wood. It just makes it look a little bit better. You're able to see like reflection, see the clouds or like the grass. It looks a little bit more realistic in a sense of Minecraft. If this video helped you and if you like the shaders and resource pack, go ahead and give it a like. It'll help me out a lot. For more videos like these or tutorials, also subscribe. And if I missed anything or if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Or if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment and you might be responsible for the next video. But that's it for today. Alright guys, see you later and see you I don't even know when, but okay, bye.